Promoting products on Clickbank involves strategic marketing efforts to generate sales and commissions. Join Clickbank. Sign up for Clickbank and explore its marketplace to select products in your niche or aligned with your audience's interests. Product selection. Choose products with high gravity and relevance to your audience. Focus on items that have compelling sales pages and offer good commissions. Create compelling content. Develop persuasive content such as blog posts, reviews, comparison articles, or videos highlighting the benefits and features of the products. Showcase how they solve problems or meet the needs of your audience. Utilize affiliate links. Generate unique affiliate links for each product and strategically place them within your content. Use text links, banners, or buttons to direct users to the Clickbank product pages. Leverage email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters, product reviews, or exclusive offers with your affiliate links to subscribers interested in your niche. Social media promotion. Share your content and affiliate links on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. Tailor your approach to fit each platform's audience and engage with your followers. Paid advertising. Consider using paid ads on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or native advertising to target audiences interested in your niche or specific products. Track and optimize. Use Clickbank's tracking tools to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze which promotional strategies drive the most sales and optimize your approach accordingly.